split, execute and be obsessed. Commit.
Big salute to all of my veterans out here. Big shout out to all of my subscribers. I'm telling y'all, you gotta wake up and you gotta get to it. You gotta stop listening to other people. You gotta stop bullshitting out here. I'm talking about you gotta get to it. Forget what other people talking about out here. Y'all be talking to too many people in this world that could care less about your life. I'm telling you, sometimes you just gotta get up and get to it. Like I tell you. What's up, big legend? You out here on this PT with daddy this morning? You want something to drink? You want some drink? Here you go. Stay hydrated. It's hot out here in Florida. Hot out here in Florida. That's where I'm at, too. So, real quick video. Man, let me tell you guys real quick. Man, it ain't nothing to go out and find a step deck in a flatbed trailer. But it's definitely a challenge finding a dry van in a reefer trailer, too. So let me tell you guys real quick. I'll give you guys some tips on what I'll be doing if I was you guys who actually have trailers right now. Man, there's people out here that's just still sitting on trailers, too. And they're just sitting on them, you know? Because I feel they might not really know what to do with them. There's like a lot of people I know, they hit me up and be like, hey, Manny, man, I just inherited a semi-truck, but I don't know what to do with it. Well, Manny's gonna show you what to do with it. Hey, Manny, man, I got 10 trailers, but I really don't know what to do with it. Well, I'm about to tell you guys right now what to do with these trailers out here, especially during this trailer shortage. The first thing is to send me a text message at 317-953-8943 and let me know what you have so we could go ahead and see, can we make this transaction happen? So I could go ahead and take them off your hands. That's the first thing that you need to be doing. The second thing is, if you guys have trailers and if you don't have an authority right now, I'll recommend starting an authority. Use this as passive income, right? Start an authority and start leasing owner operators out here. Let me tell you guys real quick. There's a lot of owner operators out here right now that have trucks. They have semi trucks, but they don't have any trailers. So if you guys could have basically a lease on trucking company, man, you're going to take off very fast. There's going to be a whole lot of owner operators out here just with semi trucks that want to lease onto your trucking company. And then what you're going to do is rent those trailers out to those owner operators that's leased onto your trucking company for cash flow. But most importantly, you're going to be making a killing off of their trucks once they start rolling. So that's the second thing I'll do if I was you guys. Start your lease on trucking company if you don't have one. But if you already have a lease on trucking company, go ahead and execute. This is if you have any trailers available too, right? Because I'm telling you, these owner operators out here, they have semi trucks and no trailers. So the day when you tell them, I also have a trailer that you could rent from me too, they're going to jump on it. I'm telling you, use this as passive income. Also, if you guys have a trailer right now, what you could be doing with that trailer is calling up these shippers, these receivers, these manufacturers out here and asking them, hey, I have trailers available right now. You know, do you want to lease these trailers from me? Because a lot of these shippers and manufacturers out here need trailers to do drop and hook type of loads, right? So they're always on the search to acquiring trailers. So you guys could just basically let a shipper or a receiver out here take control of that trailer and compensate you generously, you know? So I'm telling you, man, and the reason why I got to make these videos is because this is what's going on in my life, you know? These are the questions that I'm getting. People out here that's inheriting, if that's the word, inheriting semi trucks and trailers, and they really just don't know what to do with them, you know, too. So if this is some of you guys out here that have semi trucks and trailers and don't know what to do with them, contact me. And if you guys have trailers and you already pretty much have a trucking company going, man, start leasing on these owner operators and let them rent out your trailer, and then go ahead and charge them 15, 20, up to 35% of their gross revenue, and start getting to that money that way too. And all of this money could be earned passively. So man, real quick, I had to tell you guys, man, I'm out here right now. Army is on me, and I got Big Legend with me. When I die, I want to be a legend.
Dada.
There you go.
Dada.
And he gonna be right here. What's up?
Dada.
What's up?
What's doing?
You ready? You ready to get back to it? You ready for to start running again? Yeah, you ready? Alrighty, man. Well, this is a beautiful morning. Like I say, boy, it's a beautiful morning out here. I'm telling you. Let's get it. If you guys have any questions, hit me on my text message, 317-953-8943. Go visit my website, www.extraordinarymovement.com. Go get your 30-day free trial with DAT. Go sign up with TAFS, Trans and Financial Services, if you guys are looking for a factoring service. Also, if you guys are freight brokers looking for a factoring service, go sign up with Axle Payments. Everything in the description box below. Hey, how you doing? Doing good? CEO, commit, execute, be obsessed. Everybody be great out there.
Travel in your own lane, there isn't any traffic. Moving quick and strategic, gotta secure the package. Gotta take it and make it more than what it's worth. I came up from the bottom, used to be in the dirt. Self-made and doing things extraordinary. Growing lateral and vertical is more than scary. Self-made, doing things extraordinary. Generational wealth accumulated before I'm buried. This a many move, yeah. This is how many move. This a many move, yeah. This is how many move. Dispatching trucks, broker to get bucks. Got duties pulling up, giving knowledge, that's what's up. This a many move, yeah. This is how many move. This a many move, yeah. This is how many move. Dispatching trucks, broker to get bucks. Got duties pulling up, giving knowledge, that's what's up.
CEO, commit, execute, and be obsessed. Everybody be great out there.